I'm outside the Silver Horseshoe Inn in St. Anthony, where there's some renovation projects that are underway, but this is a building that dates back to 1910, and I thought it'd be fun to give you a walking tour of what it looks like. Saloon, which is right next door. There's an alleyway in between the buildings that they want to pave, and they want to paint some murals on the side and be able to have some tables and chairs and barbecue out here. Cattle brands that have been collected from all over the United States, really. I was looking at a few earlier. There's one from American Falls. There's one from Lemhi and Salmon. They recently redid the floor back here. Back in the day, there were bar fights, and sometimes beer would spill onto the floor. And so when they took over the building in 2015, the beer-soaked floor, there was a stench and a foul smell, and they just decided, let's just redo the floor and take care of that problem. There are rumors that this safe belonged to Al Capone, and it was locked for many years. And just a few years ago, about 2018, they finally got the safe open, and there's horseshoes in there that were in here for decades. These down here where the underground tunnels are, they've got electrical wiring and tools, so we can't go look at those at the moment, but once this place reopens, there will be tours available for people to go see.